Thank you for joining the National Weather Service in Missoula for our planning briefing. Today is Thursday, December 16th. Let's look at our key points for the next week's worth of weather. Through tonight, we'll see snow spraying across the region from the northwest. Simultaneously, an Arctic air mass will be creeping over from east of the Continental Divide with snow and winds in the Glacier Park region and Flathead Valley. Saturday, we'll see south winds that will become gusty across the Camas Prairie of Idaho. Also, snow will be intensifying Saturday evening for the Kootenai River country. Sunday, another Arctic blast with snow and east winds will reach northwest and west central Montana. Next week, intermittent light snow is expected for the first half of the week, with a chance of a more sustained Arctic air mass by late week. So let's look at this a little bit more in our weather threat matrix. You can see for northwest Montana the snow, wind, and sudden temperature drop on Friday, and then the snow and wind for the Camas Prairie of Idaho on Saturday. Sunday, the Arctic air mass comes back again for northwest Montana, and also spreads to west central and then eventually southwest Montana, with snow lingering into Tuesday. Looking at the probability as a percentage for gusts of 47 miles per hour or greater on Saturday in the Camas Prairie of Idaho, you can see around Grangeville and south, there's a fairly good chance of crosswinds that could be hazardous for vehicles and blow snow around back on the highways. For Saturday evening, we're seeing a plume of subtropical Pacific moisture head into northwest Montana. This plume will collide with the Arctic air mass moving from the east of the divide to produce some pretty good snows over the region. Also, in that Saturday to Monday time frame, we're seeing a combination of snow and wind gusts around the Marias Pass to Essex area over Highway 2 over the Continental Divide. And you can see there's a fairly good chance of 6 inches or more snowfall during this time and some pretty strong winds near Marias Pass. Finally, looking at Saturday morning through Monday morning, snow probabilities, and here we're focusing on northwest Montana. So basically north of Lookout Pass area and also Lookout Pass. And you can see from left to right the 4-inch, 8-inch, and 12-inch or greater probabilities for snowfall in this region. You see that the mountains up there in far northwest Montana in the Kootenai River country are expected to get some pretty hefty amounts, even as much as 12 inches or greater. Also, Lookout Pass, you notice, will have a pretty good chance of getting snow up to a foot or even greater in this Saturday through Monday time frame. Looking at the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, we're going to continue to see plenty of intermittent snow chances throughout the next week and beyond. And also, we see Arctic air masses starting to show up on the north central plains of the United States. Some of those will be creeping over on the west side of the Continental Divide and bring us some cold winds and some cold temperatures. And that concludes our presentation. If you have specific questions, please give us a call at the number below. We're here 24/7 and we will see you on our next presentation.